Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In this video, I am sharing with you another beautiful collection of wearable accessory of women, and this time I have collected very attractive and gorgeous caplet shawls which are mostly front open, and front closure designs are also included in this video. So you will find both type of designing ideas, and all of these designs are unique and beginner friendly. You can see simple double crochet stitch pattern is used in most of these designs, and some of the designs are having shell stitch, modified shell stitch, V stitch patterns, shell stitch with chain design, and you will find strawberry stitch patterns in these designs of shawls. And all of these designs are having very attractive and gorgeous color schemes used in them as well. So you will take ideas about the patterns, making patterns and color schemes in this video, so you can just make them by yourself at home if you know crochet work very easily. However, if you don't know crochet work, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So if you are interested in seeing these kinds of bolero jackets tutorial videos, then let me know. I will make tutorial video on your request. And if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know as well. On my channel, beginner friendly pattern videos are already available on my channel, and different baby bags, shoes, caps and dresses tutorial are also available. So you can just check them out. Different types of coasters, square patterns and different border edge designing ideas, and other than these, crochet doilies patterns are also available. Some table runner patterns are also available. You can just check them out and give your opinion in the comment box if you love them. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comments. If you are interested in any specific idea video which is currently not available on my channel, other than these kinds of crochet ideas videos, many of the crochet tutorial videos are available, and different other handmade products ideas are also available, which are mostly related to home decoration and related to wearable accessories of women and kids. You will find different types of bags, shoes, shrugs, cardigan, jackets, sweaters, shawls, caplet shawls, ponchos tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.